Today we're making 3 modern kitchen decor pieces using Dollar Tree blocks. Let's get to crafting. I saw this napkin holder at Walmart and it inspired this, but I wanted mine a little more modern. To make the base, we'll glue together 2 rows with 8 blocks in each like this. Then glue those 2 rows together. To make the front and back, glue 4 rows of 3 blocks and set aside 12 loose blocks. Next, glue 2 loose blocks to the front and then 2 to the back. Then add the 3 block rows on top of both sides. Use a small damp brush to clean up any excess glue. Add 2 more loose blocks to the front and to the back. Then attach the final 2 rows to each side. The last 4 loose blocks will glue them to the back of the row. Push them down till only half sticks up. Lastly, we'll paint it. This first color wasn't giving, so I switched it. And that's the beauty of DIY. If you don't love it, repaint it. And there you have it, a modern napkin holder that elevates a space on a budget. Next, we're making a sweet tea bag holder to add a warm, cozy touch to any kitchen. For the base, glue 2 rows of 5 blocks like this. Now, glue 2 sets of 4 blocks. Next, glue 6 sets of 2 blocks each. Then, glue the 4 blocks to the front of each base. Now, we'll take 3 sets of the 2 blocks and glue them to the back of each base, spacing them out evenly. Next, we'll glue the top base to the bottom like this. Then we'll stain it. Once dried, we'll use this macrame cord and hot glue it to the center. Then we'll wrap it from the front to the side to the back. Wrapping it around the sides keeps the tea bags from falling. I wrapped it around twice. Repeat the same process for the bottom. And there you have it, a simple and cozy way to keep your teas organized and styled beautifully. Last, we're making an easy customizable love sign. To start, glue together 6 rows of 5 blocks each. Then, attach the rows in a staggered brick pattern so the seams don't line up directly on top of each other. Next, we'll glue all the rows together. Now we'll paint it. Once dried, we'll create a way to hang it by wrapping the cord around both ends and gluing it to the back. Next, we'll lightly trace the words onto the board. Since hot glue dries quickly, work in small sections as you add the cord. And there you have it, an easy customizable love sign that adds the sweetest touch to your kitchen. 3 modern kitchen decor pieces made using our favorite Dollar Tree blocks. Budget friendly, cohesive, and definitely cute. Well, I hope you all love this and definitely give it a try.
Team Gravey, making things easy.